Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study the Geography 4th chapter of Class 8, that is Mineral and Power Resource. Since the Industrial Revolution, mineral and power resource have become increasingly important. Both of these have been controlled to the development of industries and therefore to the development of the economy. In this chapter, we will learn about the different kinds of mineral and power resources, their uses, and their distribution around the world and in India. Mineral resource. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic solids that have a definite chemical composition and certain distinct physical properties such as color, hardness, and density. Minerals are formed over millions of years by natural process. Minerals are distributed unevenly in different parts of the earth. There are over 5,000 known minerals. The most commonly available minerals on earth are silicate like feldspar and quartz, followed by aluminium, iron, calcium, potassium, sodium, and magnesium. Type of minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are broadly classified into metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals. Minerals that contain metal in raw form or called metallic minerals. Metallic minerals have a bright metallic luster. They are hard and dense and are good conductor of heat and electricity. They are also ductile and malleable. Iron ore, silver, gold, and copper are some examples of metallic mineral. Non-metallic mineral. Minerals that do not contain any metal are called non-metallic mineral. They lack a metallic luster and are not good conductor of heat and electricity. They are generally brittle and inflexible. Gypsum, limestone, and mica are examples of non-metallic mineral. Metallic mineral are two types: ferrous mineral with high iron content, for example iron or magnesium; non-ferrous mineral that do not contain iron, for example copper, gold, and silver. Extraction of mineral. Mineral exist in raw form in rock and have to be processed and purified before being used. A rock containing enough mineral to make its mining economically profitable is called an ore. An ore can be further classified into high grade ore or low grade ore. High grade ore has high mineral content and fewer impurities, while low grade ore has low mineral content and more impurities. The process of extraction of mineral from rock is called mining. There are two types of mining: open cast mining and shaft mining. Open cast mining, the method of extracting mineral that lie near the surface of the earth by removing them from an open pit, is called open cast mining. Shaft mining, the process of taking out mineral deposit laying to great depth below the earth's surface by making deep bores or shaft, is called shaft mining. Quarrying is a form of open cast mining in which large blocks of mineral are extracted from the mine. Distribution of minerals. Minerals are found in different types of rock. Metallic minerals are more commonly found in igneous and metamorphic rock, but can also be found in sedimentary rocks. Some of the largest iron and gold deposits are found in sedimentary rock. Non-metallic minerals are found in all types of rock. Distribution of mineral in the world. Asia. Rich in iron ore deposits are found in India and China. More than 50% of the world tin is produced in Asia. China, Indonesia, and Myanmar are among the leading producers of tin. China leads in the production of gold, lead, antimony, and tungsten. Asia has rich deposit of manganese, bauxite, zinc, lead, and copper. Russia is the leading producer of diamond. Africa. Africa is the one of the world leading producer of diamond, gold, and platinum. South Africa lead in the production of gold in Africa. Other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, uranium, cobalt, and chromite. Europe. Ukraine and Sweden are Europe's leading producer of iron ore. Eastern Europe and European Russia have deposits of copper, nickel, zinc, manganese, and lead. North America. The Canadian Shield region is rich in iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper. In the Appalachian region, vast deposits of coal are found. South America. Brazil is the leading producer of high-grade iron ore. Brazil, Peru, and Bolivia are among the world's largest producers of tin. Chile and Peru are leading producers of copper. Australia. Australia leads the world in the production of bauxite. Australia is also rich in iron ore, gold, diamond, tin, nickel, manganese, copper, lead, and zinc. Conglomerate and Coolgardie, Coolgardie and Coolgardie region of the Western Australia have vast reserve of gold. Antarctica. Geologists have identified the existence of large deposits of mineral in Antarctica. The Transantarctic Mountain and Prime Charles Mountain of East Antarctica are speculated to have large deposits of coal and iron ore respectively. Distribution of mineral in India and their use. Iron ore. Hematite and magnetite are the two types of iron ore found in India. Iron ore is used for making steel, which form the basis for modern large-scale industry. It is also used for making automobile ships and locomotives. Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka are the producing states of India. Bauxite. The ore of aluminium is called bauxite. Aluminium is used in the aircraft industry and the electrical industry. It is also used for making furniture and utensils. Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. And Odisha is the largest producer of bauxite in India. Mica. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Mica is used in the electrical, electronic, and glass making industry. Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan are the leading producer state of India. Copper. Copper is a good conductor of electricity and is therefore used extensively in the electrical industry. It is used for making wire, electrical motor, generator, and transformer. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Karnataka are the leading producer state of India. Limestone. Limestone is an important raw material for the cement industry. Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu are the producing state of India. Manganese. Manganese is used for smelting iron ore. It imparts strength to steel. It is also used for making glass, batteries, brick, and plastic. Maharashtra Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka, and Telangana. Gold. Gold is the Gold is used for making jewelry. It serves as a medium in foreign trade. It is also used in scientific experiment. Kolar and Halti in Karnataka and Ramgiri in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh are the leading producing unit of India. Salt. Salt is Salt is used in cooking to add taste to food. It is also used in food industry as a preservative. It is used in the chemical industries Gujarat and Thothukudi. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are non-renewable resources as they take millions of years to get renewed or replenished. Thus, every effort should be made to conserve mineral. Some of the ways to conserve mineral include using them judiciously, reducing wastage in process of mining and recycling of metal.